Seth here. Thanksgiving Day. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. Waiting on my wife to finish the green bean casserole so we can go to my parents, but I thought I might take the time to share with you what the 2023 St. Jude tractor is looking like. Since it's starting to look somewhat like a tractor now. Still got to make weight bars, waiting on a fuel pump. I got a battery box that's made. Got to make wheelie bars yet, and some side shields and stuff, but just figured I would give you an update. Show off some of Bib Jort paint and primer's work here. And it is pretty. I can't wait to see what the rest of the tractor looks like when we get it painted. We do have an HEI distributor on there, powered by an Intellitronix CD box that was donated to us by Intellitronix. Great people, great people. Powered by an Intellitronix CD box that was donated to us by Intellitronix. Great people, great people.